Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade, and if you're new here, which I'm hoping and praying that a lot of you are new here, but if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for keeping the faith in me, and believing that I could do this as many times as I said I was going to do this. I really, truly appreciate y'all for holding it down and just staying with me through all of this. So yes, thank you for coming back to my channel. I relaunched my YouTube channel, and this is like one of my videos that's going to go up soon. Today, I am doing something completely different. I have decided that I'm no longer going to run away from all of the things that I thought I couldn't do. And what I thought I couldn't do ever on my channel was to get ready with me. But that's changing today. That's changing right now. I am filming my first ever Get Ready With Me. When I started my channel a few years ago, I just was like, no, the beauty industry, for some reason, the enemy really be trying to get to me and get in your head and just be like, oh, the beauty industry is oversaturated and we don't need another beauty content creator because everybody was just trying to do beauty. But the creator industry for beauty also does not have me. So I'm just going to do what I can and bring whatever I can to the table, because who's to tell me no? If Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. All right, so this is my first Get Ready With Me, and we're going to talk a little bit. We're going to chat mom life, single life, this world life, everything. I'm actually filming for my job today, which y'all will see a lot of Black girl in media type stuff on my channel later on. But I'm filming for my job today, and so I need to do my makeup and I need to get ready. And y'all are about to get ready with me. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have to film for work, and what do I need to do first? Okay, yeah. Starting with the blank canvas, I'm with primer. I am in the media industry, so I would be what you consider a creative. And for the past few years, I feel like I've been kind of, for some reason, not embracing it. Like, because I would play myself down. First of all, the negative self-talk is very real. Okay, so I would like downplay a lot of what I can do and my abilities just because of my insecurities. Like, it's, when I tell y'all insecurities, they have like a trickle down type thing, but because my insecurities a lot, I would just downplay my job. Like, oh yeah, I'm a media specialist and da da da. But I really do my job, and I really do my job well. That's just it. Like, I want to do so many things in media and in the entertainment industry still, and just work from there. But I'm really just trying to follow whatever path God has for me. So whether it's continuing with being in media and being and doing what I'm doing, or if it's another route, whatever it is, that's what the Lord has. But for now, we're gonna stick with this route as a creative. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My brow pencil, my holy grail. I really don't not mess with this. One thing about me doing a Get Ready With Me as well is that I've been insecure about the way that I look, and being a perfectionist, expecting to look a certain way or to be a certain way or have certain things, has really pushed me back tremendously over the past few years, actually throughout my life. And I'm just so happy, like, I'm to the point right now where I can just let all of that go and not overthink about what I like and what I don't like about myself, and just know that the Lord made me the way that I am for a reason, and I need to love and appreciate on me. I've been so inside the house and hidden, and I'm kind of grateful because, hold up, I really can't talk and do my brows at the same time. Hold up. It allowed me to just sit with myself And sometimes you really need that time to like not sit with other people and not be around so many other people all the time and really just sit with yourself. So the past few years, I've really just been sitting with myself and my thoughts and really trying to figure things out, really trying to pray over anything that's been bothering me and just really focus on my future and what God has for me. One thing I'm grateful for as well is that I have my daddy's eyebrows. My dad has super like thick eyebrows, and I'm so grateful that I have them because I don't be having to do too much. Like I just fill in here and there when I want an extra little beat and I'm good to go. To conceal my brows, I'm using the Fenty concealer in the shade 385. Listen, I am a Fenty gal down, okay? Like, I have been riding with Fenty since day one, and not all of my products are Fenty here, first of all, but I love Fenty. I actually need to re-up on a lot of products. So if y'all have any favorite makeup products, please let me know down in the comments. I'm really at a place where I've used up majority of the things that I like and I'm wanting to try new things. So if y'all have any suggestions, I love a good Ulta trip. I love a good Sephora trip online late night. And I will add it to my cart as soon as you put it in the comments. So let me know. Brows. This might actually come out looking like something today. I am proud. One thing about me, my friends know, I don't play when it comes to my eyebrows. I will never play when it comes to my eyebrows, and I'm so grateful. But like I will literally never play when it comes to my eyebrows. So I usually don't do the eyeshadow primer. I just take a little bit of whatever foundation is left from concealing my brows and bring it down. I try to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, so I am gonna go between these two palettes. Please judge your mama if you feel like I will hold on to a makeup palette for forever. Of course, unless it just gets old. Yeah, that's just me. I'm using this Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna go in with the shade Ginger first. So whenever I film for work, I don't do too much when it comes to makeup. But whenever I film for church, I do a little bit more of a face just because the camera differences. So for work, my camera is like right in front of my face. So I don't need, for me personally, I just don't feel like I need a full beat down. And my full beat is probably different from somebody else's full beat. So that's another thing. I just try to keep it simple for work because I try to get myself on a time crunch. I want to be done, one and done. Next, I'm going in with edges. Yeah, so whenever I film for work, it's just different from when I film for church or anything else. So I just do very light beat. Let's talk. We're supposed to be sitting here talking, right? So being in media, I've just really had to learn to love myself more and love my insecurities, love my flaws and all. And when I tell y'all, my confidence has skyrocketed. Like, you really can't tell me nothing now. And I think it's also because I just recently turned 30 that just like, I don't care what anybody else thinks anymore. I don't know if it's just an only child thing and like being raised as an only child and I was just, seeking others for validation, but I'm so glad that I'm here right now and able to be like, okay, like you really hot, girl. You really hot. You really on it. Like, you good. I'm just at a really good place in my life mentally, physically. Well, we working on the physical part because your girl is losing weight right now. So by the end of this year, I'm gonna look completely different. I'm just let y'all know. I'm gonna look like a different person. But remember this moment. So we gotta start from somewhere, We have to start from somewhere. So I'm in a better place mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and I just love the shell that I'm coming out of. I feel like to God be the glory. Now, again, this doesn't look like much, but I typically refrain from doing the most when it comes to filming for work. Taking the NYX Epic Eyeliner in the shade brown. This is my little, this is a ring light, yes, and my mirror, but it gets the job done. It's something about me and brown eyeliner that I absolutely love. Speaking of love, I am still single. Yeah, I'm still single, and I have decentered men from my life. And before anybody says anything, no, love is not coming when I least expect it. Love has not come because I'm not expecting anything. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm not expecting love to come. Of course it's gonna be when I least expect it. Nobody's doing anything. They're like, oh, it's gonna come when you least expect it. Oh, you know, you're not even gonna be worried about it. Just focus on you and loving yourself. Yes, I did have to work on myself even more and loving myself. But I feel like I'm past that phase.
And before anybody says anything, I love self-love. Self-love is the best love. And please don't ever get it twisted that I do not love myself in spite or despite or whatever spite of not having a man. Please and thank you.
Okay, where is he? Oh Lord, my husband. I'm being patient for whenever the Lord sends my man my way. But in the meantime, I've dated here and there, and I feel like I have the craziest dating life. I've heard some crazy date stories, but I feel like I really need to start sharing my crazy dating stories with y'all over the past few years since I moved out of my parents' house, especially, and that I'm on my own. So let me know if y'all want to hear some more crazy dating stories. But yeah, again, I'm just at a place in my life right now where, like, if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, I'm not stressed, because the way I look at these women who are not married, living their best life, it's kind of calling my name. This is Benefit Bad Guy Mascara. I like to put mascara on my lashes before I put on my lashes. I just do a light layer, a very light layer. And then I might put some more on afterward. Okay, we are about to put on lashes. And while we put on lashes, we're gonna talk a little bit about mom life. I cannot believe I have a preteen right now. It's crazy because when I first started my channel, my son was 2 years old, turning 3. And now I have a preteen. Like, to me, right now, that doesn't make much sense, but time flies when you're having fun. He's asked me a million times over the years to start a YouTube channel, and we should do more stuff for our channel. And so even though this is like my primary channel, I might create another channel with him. I don't really know, but I will definitely include him more in some of my videos because he loved this stuff when we were doing it. And that's back when like YouTube was like really like everybody was starting to get on YouTube. And so he really loved doing YouTube videos with me when he was younger and filming. So we're going to see what we can do this year. So y'all stay tuned for that as well. Just some mom life, some mom vlogs. We're going to start going on vacation soon more and just exploring life. And I'm just super excited to see what he gets out of it, what I get out of it, and just spending time with my baby. So lashes are on. So far, we're doing pretty good up here. Hopefully to keep this momentum going, you know what I'm saying? I'm going back in with this Fenty concealer. I like to conceal and blush first. I feel like I had so much more to talk about, but I can't really remember right now. Maybe I just wanted to do my makeup on camera. I like to underpaint, do a little bit of contour. I know I look crazy right now, but just stay with me. Although I'm filming for work, I'm actually on a time crunch and rushing because I have stuff to do. So this is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Almond. Translucent powder, my mini, because I ran out of my big one. I need to get some more of that too. Elf Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Coral. Like I said, I don't want to do too much because the camera's gonna be right in my face. I'll dust the rest of this off with that. Boom, boom. So my face is like mostly done. I just go back in and touch up any areas that I feel like I need to. I really hope this looks decent on camera as well as it like somewhat does off camera. My go-to lip, this is another brown lippy that I have, a liner, and I just keep it simple. Brown lip liner. This is Juvia's Place Lippy. This is my trick that I do. I do the gloss first. I'll do like a clearish gloss first, or whatever color I'm feeling like. However I want to do this combo, I'll say that. That first. Get that, and then I'll go back in with a matte, like a creamy matte. This is just what my routine is now. Okay, we can do that. Finish one side setting spray, not the one or the two. Stop playing with it. Just super excited, like where my life is going, where God is taking me, the things that are happening. I'm really grateful. I go do my hair and finish getting ready, and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I put on some earrings, I put on my clothes, and this is the final face. Like I said, I don't do a whole lot, but I do a little something, a little 1-2. Face cute, a little pressure. I feel like I didn't even talk about much today, but I just kind of wanted to update y'all. Like, I'm so excited to be just moving forward in my life and getting to a space of feeling free and feeling like me, you know? So yeah, that's just what like a lot of my channel is just going to be about. Being free, being myself, and hoping that others can be themselves and do what they want to do and what they feel like they are purposed to do in this lifetime that we have. Because if you don't go after your dreams now, when will you have time to do it? We are literally going through 40 million things on earth at once right now. Do what you got to do for you, okay? Again, if you like this, you want to see more, please let me know, because I truly enjoy doing makeup and I'm truly a makeup girly. And like I said, I'm gonna stop telling myself no and start telling myself yes to doing my makeup on camera and enjoying it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will see y'all in the next video.